You know, one of the most amazing things is that many people sincerely think I did hair transplant. Look at this guy. He said, you did a hair transplant and you are here advising people to go for checkups. Why didn't you do a checkup on your hair? I was so bald 3 months ago and I created an oil that healed my hair. It's not completely healed. As you can see, I'm still in the process. As you can see, it's not completely healed. My edges are not, I want my edges to be here. See, there's still space, but you can see the hair is already coming out. All these ones came newly. I created this oil, and that's what I'm applying on my hair every day. And it's growing the hair. All right, I'm still on month 4. Just completed 3 months of using this, and I'm on month 4. If you need the recipe I used to create this, come and collect it. Inbox me. I'll cut soap for you if you're losing hair. All right, at least my hair shows that it works. My hair got darker too, like really black. You can see. Let me open this. Can you see? It's still growing. It's not where I want it to be yet. So as the months come by, you will see my hair getting richer and richer. But the miracle of this is that it reversed my baldness, which they say that baldness is irreversible. Look at my eyebrows too. I see people in my comments, I'll make a video about something entirely. People will say that I shaved my eyebrow. Look at this. Does this look like what was shaved? Can you see any clipper cuts here? No. This oil made my eyebrow look like this, I'm telling you. You see? There's no shaving. You see? The only place that I've not grown well is here. Very soon now to fully connect. As you can see, it's already here. Very soon now to connect, I'll look totally different. These ones I imagine gradually. See, hairs I imagine here gradually. I'm just not a hairy person. If I was a hairy person, I would have had full hair already. My hair grows incredibly slowly, but the fact that this was able to resurrect my dead hair, it's amazing. So just inbox me if you're suffering hair loss. Okay, I'll give you this. And you need to know that me, as somebody that was suffering hair loss, that was going bald, I've tried so many things in the past. I just gave up totally after, like, from 2 years ago. I totally abandoned everything. All right. So but when I actually got something that works, it worked in 3 months. So let me show you another thing I'm trying now. I've not just been talking about it, but this one, this is called Supre Lemende. This is a video shaker. This one is for my face. So I've been trying so many face creams. If I show you my shelf now, I'm trying to solve this. It's actually already solving. If you look at my face, you see tiny spots. All these tiny spots are traces of pimples I've had a long time ago. You see this black stuff, discoloration. So I'm trying to find what actually removes this discoloration and smoothens out the skin. There's something they call pits. As you can see, holes here. See tiny holes? I'm trying to remove it. So I created a herb. The reason I know I feel that this herb is gonna work is because look at the top of my hair. Look from here to here. It's perfectly smooth. Can you see? No discoloration, no nothing. Perfectly smooth. And I suspect it happened because I was applying this abido shaker on my hair. Something here was making my skin smooth. Every time I apply it, the oil gradually drips down here over some hours. So I believe that that's what cleared out here. So I started doing research. I found some of the components that may have been useful for smoothing out my skin. All right, so I'm trying to apply them here and see how it works. When it works now, somebody will come and say that I did face transplant. One thing I've noticed is that my wrinkles have disappeared. All this line that used to be here, like that adults used to have, it's going. This thing is supposed to improve collagen production on your skin. So in 2 or 3 months now, when my skin starts looking glowing, there's always gonna be somebody that will come and say I did face transplant, facelift, I did BBL on my face. I get this comment every blessed day. People can't believe it's the same. I was the same person that they were saying 3 months ago making videos. Let me show you. Look at this. Somebody on Instagram is talking about hair implant again because they believe that I did hair transplant. I'm really happy about that. I believe I did hair transplant. But you know, comments like this don't get me because of comments like this other one. Every day, people come into my inbox to tell me how great my video has changed their life. This gives me more life. Look at this. It says, you're a national treasure that you must be protected at all costs. Where have you been all my life? Been on your page over an hour now. First of its kind. You're a breath of fresh air, brother unlike many, with brain of gold and fish armor. This made my whole yesterday. And this guy is only watching my videos on Instagram, where I don't post much. I don't post much on Instagram. What of when he finally comes to my TikTok? So get this. I'm not gonna tell anybody what I put here, because obviously there's no visible signs yet. All right, when there's sign, you will see evidence. It will disappear. It will clear out. You will see it. Then I can tell people what I have here. It's not free. This hair oil is not free. The receipt that I use, is the list of ingredients, is not free. So if you chat me up, you send some payments, I'll send you the receipt, and then you make the oil.